Do you want to wake up every day feeling energized, happy, and healthy? Do you want to look back on your life and know that your health never held you back from living your fullest potential? That you could release all fear of aging as you knew it would be enjoyable and filled with great opportunities? Aging doesn't have to be scary, and it certainly doesn't have to be uncontrollable. When you have the right tools and knowledge in your hands, you can take control of your health and live the life you always dreamed of. Welcome, I'm Dr. Deepak Chopra, and this is Dr. Sheila Patel. For those of you who are just joining us in this training series, we're glad you're here. Dr. Sheila Patel is the Chopra Center's Medical Director and a board-certified family physician who specializes in integrative medicine and health. She harnesses the power of both modern Western medicine and the ancient wisdom tradition of Ayurveda to bring a complete and personalized approach to healthcare. We are honored to have you joining us as we share the eye-opening lessons we have learned from working with millions of people from all walks of life. By the end of this series, you will have unlocked the secrets to healthy aging that are contained within the simple and practical system of Ayurveda. All you need to do is register for free on this page by entering your name and email now. I look forward to seeing you inside this incredible workshop. Namaste.